What are you doing?
Oh, I'm gonna compost. See? And,
Ooh, the moldy salad.
Moldy. But at least it's not going in the garbage and having to be trucked. Just
Oh, I missed that one part.
sweep it all out with a nice little rubber spatula. And then sometimes, since I put it in the ice box, it freezes onto the plastic. And the spatula facilitates my
Wow.
wiping it off. See? And then here comes the fun part where I spin it all like a soup. Spin all the wet compost. And after that, after it's spinning with this foil here, then I'm gonna pour some dry leaves on top like the finishing cream on a cake. And you're probably going to see the red worms that help us
Oh, there they are.
break down the compost. See? Break down the compost. So this is helping us mix the new deposit of discarded material with what is already here. See, we're mixing it like a nice little soup.
Most people don't do this, right?
Then it breaks down. Well, it'd be nice if it could. The very building in New York City could have the luxury of this compost bin. We have 3 here. So
And 3 more across the street at the church.
Oh, right, that's true.
6.
So you see, I'm just mixing every section so that
The next person won't have
it
to.
goes down. And yeah, that's we're trying to be good neighbors. And so it's chunky what I dumped in here because it was in an ice box to prevent it from smelling just in case. Oopa. Oopa. That's the Spanish coming out. Oopa. See, I'm just gonna try to cover
It's
that.
like a weed.
Alright, and then after doing that mixing, we put the foil back and spread some dry leaves to go with the idea of wet. Finished off with a layer of dry. And then the next customer will come over and dump their wet material. And this whole process will help the carbon of this dry material help the rest of everything break down, along with our friends, the red worms. And that concludes our presentation of composting. Oops, don't drop the wood top. Our neighbors will be disturbed.